Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this video I'm going to show you how to place orders on MetaTrader 4 for iOS. So here we are on the quotes tab. Now if I open up any chart, I can place an order on the chart, or I can place an order by clicking on the instrument I wish to trade, click trade, and there I can sell and buy. Now I don't just want to click sell and buy straight away. Obviously I want to enter the correct lot size that I wish to use, so I'm going to use a standard lot. You can input your stop loss and your take profit right here by either just using the plus and minus buttons or by actually typing in the exact amount. So if I was just to use the minus buttons, and I can use the plus buttons to increase the take profit, for example. And you can see roughly where it would be on the chart, on the tick chart at the bottom. Now, this is one way to do it. Obviously, if I want to sell or buy here, because of the take profit stop loss, the way it's set, it's going to be more of a buy. So, just going to increase it a bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and click buy. And that's it. I have now purchased, and you can see the trade live right there in my trading tab. So you can see how much profit and how much loss is currently occurring. Now, if I want to edit this trade, I can just hold down onto it. And here I can either close it, modify the take profit or stop loss. So say I want to close it, hit close. And I don't have to close the full amount. I can decide how much I want to close. So say I only want to close half the trade. Do 0.5 plus half of one lot. I can close half the trade. And my stop loss was just hit. But if I look in the history, you can see I closed the full amount and another 0.5, which was essentially the stop loss was hit. So that's one way of entering a trade. Now this can be quite difficult because you're not looking at the actual chart. So if we go to pound US dollar, but this time go to chart, we've now opened up the chart and we can now actually use a bit of price action and technical analysis to make a more informed decision on actually placing a trade. So how do you place a trade from the chart? Well, on the top right hand corner you can see a button or a bit of text that says trade. We're going to click that, and that will open up then the same market execution form as we had before. So that's how you open and close trades on MetaTrader 4 for iOS. But say right now we don't actually want to place a trade, but we want to place an order, one that isn't an instant execution. Okay, so what we just showed there was instant execution, getting in at whatever price is available. But say, for example, I would like to get in for a sell right here at 27,152. At 1.27152, I want to sell. So how do I go ahead and do that? Well, if I click trade, this time rather than market execution, I click a sell limit trade. Okay, a sell limit trade, and the price I want 27,152. It's already past the point where I wanted to trade, so let's find a new area. As you can see, it's already gone way above that. But say I want to enter now at 27,181. I'm going to enter the lot size of 1 and 27,181. We're going to click place. Now we have an order pending at 27,181, and you can see the current price is 27,162, 161. It keeps just fluctuating, but it's not quite there yet. We are placing an order right here where the crosshairs are. So we're just going to wait and let that execute. But while I wait for that to execute, we're going to do a buy limit trade. Okay, so from the opposite direction. So say I would like to enter a buy position when it goes to 27,124. We do the exact same thing, hit trade. But this time we're doing a buy limit order. and the price will be at 27.1. I think it was 124. Click place. Oh, it was a bit 124, which is right here. So now we have a sell limit right at the top here and a buy limit at the bottom here. But say I actually want it to, if it breaks this low here, I don't want to buy, but I actually want to continue with a sell. Okay, so I want to do a continuation trade, right? So this would be a sell stop trade. Okay, so we're getting very close to our buy limit. We can watch it being triggered in. And there we go, we should be triggered in. As you can see, it's now triggered in for the buy limit trade. So say we want to now do, as I said before, if I want to continue, so rather than buy at the bottom here, I want to sell, that would be a sell stop trade. So trade, and then we go to sell stop, and then we can enter whatever price we wanted. And a buy stop would be above current price, but you want to buy. So if I want to buy when it gets to the top here, that would be a buy stop. So two different types, so you can trade in any direction, but you can place pending orders in any direction you wish. It doesn't have to be only one direction or a certain type. It works for any direction you wish. Okay, so very, very simple. But say I want to edit, now say I want to get rid of this pending order, the sell limit. Well, I can just hold it, click delete, or I can modify it if I want to change the price or stop loss and take profit. But we're going to delete that one. Well, say I'm not really feeling this buy limit trade that I had before. I'm not really feeling it. Doesn't look great. I can at any point modify it if I want to change the stop loss to take profit. As you can see, so if I want to take profit to maybe let's say 7,150, I hit modify. So 7,150 would be up here. If it goes here, that would be my take profit. But of course, at any point, I can also just click and hold and click close if I ever want to get out of the trade because of whatever reason. So we're just going to exit this trade. We're going to click close. And that's it. And now you can see in your history tab the trades that we just closed. And that's pretty much it on how to place trades and pending orders on MetaTrader 4 for iOS. So I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.